lesson applications of derivatives. In previous session we come to the application that is rate measure. In today's session we are solving numericals related to the rate measure. Most important application, rate measure. Let us see first example given here. The radius of a spherical soap bubble is expanding so that its radius is increasing at the rate of 0.02 centimeter per second. At what rate is the surface area increasing when its radius is 5 centimeter? To find out rate of change of area, when we have provided value for radius is 5 centimeter. Let us see first given part, solution for problem. Let R be the radius of spherical soap bubble and capital A be the surface area at any time t. So here radius and area both are changing as per time. That means both quantities are depends on time t. Formula for area of spherical soap bubble, getting A is equal to 4 pi r square. Provided value for rate of change of this radius is 0.02 centimeter per second. So we can write value for dr by dt, rate of change of radius with respect to time t, that is given value 0.02 centimeter per second, and target to find out rate of change of surface area, that is to calculate value for dA by dt, that is rate of change of area. Provided one more condition, when its radius r is equal to 5 centimeter. So first in solution we have expressed formula for area of spherical soap bubble as A is equal to 4 pi r square. So differentiate this equation with respect to the time period, that is t. We get value for dA by dt is equal to multiplicative 4 pi as it is, r square derivative 2 times r into dr by dt. To find out value for dA by dt, conditions already I have stated here. Radius r is 5 centimeter and rate dr by dt is 0.02. So writing in the next step given part as, product here, 4 pi into 2r, product is 8 pi r, equation number 1. And now writing given values are radius r 5 centimeter and dr by dt rate is 0.02. Substitute both values in equation 1. Value for dA by dt is equal to 8 pi, radius r is 5, dr by dt 0.02. Calculating product, 5 into 0.02, product is obtained 0.1, and multiply with 8 pi. So first we multiply with 8. You will get answer 0.8. Multiplicative pi keep as it is. Hence answer for dA by dt is obtained 0.8 pi. Unit for area corresponding to time t, you can write as centimeter square per second. Hence conclusion, the area surface area is increasing at the rate of 0.8 pi centimeter square per second. First problem, to find out rate of change of area. You have provided values for dr by dt and radius r. Let us continue with next problem. Second question, a stone is dropped into a pond. Waves in the form of circles are generated. Waves are in the form of circles are generated. The radius of outermost ripple increases at the rate of 2 inches per second. How fast is the area increasing when? First condition, radius r is exactly 5 inches. To find out rate of change of area. Second condition, after 5 seconds, find out value for dA by dt. Let us see first given values in the problem. Stone dropped into a pond. Waves are in the form of circle. Waves are in the form of circle. Let us see first geometrical figure. When a stone is dropped into a pond, this type of waves are get generated, that is circular shape. So whatever the area will be occupied, that area you can write by formula area of circle. Equation is very simple. Area A is equal to pi r square. All of you are familiar. Let us see first given conditions. Radius of outermost ripple increases at the rate 2 inches per second. That is rate of change of radius corresponding to time dr by dt. It is equal to 2 inches per second. That means for 1 second radius will be increased by 2 inches. To find out how fast area increasing, that is value for dA by dt for two particular conditions. First condition you can see here, if the radius is 5 inches, and second after 5 seconds. We solve one by one. First calculating equation in terms of rate measure. Let us see first writing initially meaning of r variable, a variable, time t. That is starting, let r be the radius and capital A be the surface area of outermost ripple at time t in seconds. Then formula for area of circle, A is equal to pi r square. Now differentiating this equation with respect to time t. Derivative of A with respect to time t is obtained dA by dt. Multiplicative pi as it is r square, power rule. R square derivative is 2 times r into dr by dt. Hence finally we obtain product as 2 pi r dr by dt. This is value for dA by dt, that is rate of change of area at time t. Applying conditions. Let us see first sub question. Radius is 5 inches. Given values, dr by dt rate is 2 inches per second. Value for radius r is equal to 5 inches provided in first case. Next, to find out value for dA by dt, substitute both values in equation 1. So, dA by dt is equal to 2 pi, r value 5, rate is 2. Now, product 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10 into 2, that is 20. So, dA by dt is obtained 20 pi. rate of change of area. So unit will be inches square per second. You have provided radius in terms of inches. So area will be 20 pi square inches per second. So finally conclusion simply written. Hence the area is increasing at the rate of 20 pi square inches per second. This is first case we have solved. Okay. Now let us see for second case after 5 seconds. Already explained. Rate given here 2 inches per second. For 1 second radius get increased by 2 inches. So guess after 5 seconds what will be the value for radius of that outermost ripple after 5 seconds. Yes, correct answer. Let us see second case. To find dA by dt after 5 seconds, dr by dt value 2 inches per second. Hence value for radius after 5 seconds is getting 2 times of 5 after 5 seconds. 5 into 2 that is equal to 10 inches. So after 5 seconds radius will be 10 inches. Now calculating value for dA by dt using radius r is equal to 10 inches and value for dr by dt rate is 2 inches per second. Hence dA by dt is equal to equation 1 2 pi r value is here 10 and dr by dt is 2. Now product 2 into 2 4 4 into 10 40. So dA by dt is equal to 40 pi. Hence, in second case, we obtain area is increasing at the rate 40 pi square inches per second. It is obtained after 5 seconds. Okay, one more question for rate measure. The surface area of spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters square per second. At what rate is the volume of the balloon is increasing when radius of that balloon is 6 centimeter? Check here provided values surface area increasing at this rate 2 centimeters square per second. So first rate of change of area that is dA by dt it is given as 2 centimeters square per second. Value for rate of change of area. Next, at what rate is the volume of balloon is increasing? They have asked what is the value for rate of change of volume that is dV by dt answer. And one more condition provided when radius of balloon is 6 centimeter r is equal to 6 centimeter. Check your given relation in terms of area of spherical balloon and target is to find out rate of change of volume with respect to time t. So in this problem you have to use compulsory two formulas. One is related to area and second is related to volume of spherical balloon. Let us see starting first mention variables as a r, a, v and time. All of you have seen balloon. Surface area increases, volume also get increases. Problem first, r be the radius, capital A surface area and capital V volume of spherical balloon at any time t. Formula for area of spherical balloon A is equal to 4 pi r square. Now, differentiating this equation with respect to time period t, we get value for derivative dA by dt multiplicative 4 pi as it is r square derivative 2 times r into dr by dt. Product 4 pi into 2r is obtained 8 pi r dr by dt. Equation first. Check your provided value for dA by dt, rate of change of area 2 centimeter square per second, and value for radius r is 6 centimeter. Substitute values here. You will get answer of dr by dt, that is rate of change of radius is obtained. Let us see dA by dt value 2 centimeter square per second, r is 6, both are substitute. We get 2 is equal to 8 pi, r is 6 into dr by dt. Then this 8 pi into 6, 8 6 48, 48 pi shifted to left hand side will get divide to the 2. Check how much is obtained. 2 divided by 48 pi. Yes, correct answer you have given 1 by 24 pi. Intelligent students. dr by dt is 1 by 24 pi. This is obtained dr by dt. But our target is not dr by dt. Target is simply given here. Find out dv by dt. In equation of volume, we require this value for dr by dt. So we have already calculated this value. Now let us see how to get this dr, so dv by dt. Formula for volume of spherical balloon V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate this equation with respect to time t. Derivative for V dv by dt 4 by 3 pi multiplicative constant as it is. Value for r cube derivative. Yes, correct. 3 times r square into dr by dt. Then check this denominator 3 and multiplicative 3 both get cancelled. So remaining is dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. We have written here equation 2. To find out value for dv by dt, we can substitute value for radius r, that is already known 6 centimeter, and dr by dt calculated 1 by 24 pi. Substitute both values in equation second. Which values? Radius r as 6 and dr by dt is 1 by 24 pi. Simplify this expression. Check calculations value. Multiplicative pi, denominator pi cancel. 4 1 4 and 4 6 24. 1 6 will be get cancelled. Remaining is dv by dt is equal to 6. That is rate of change of volume corresponding to time is obtained 6 and unit, yes, correct, centimeter cube per second. So conclusion writing here, hence the volume of spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 6 centimeter cube per second. So in this session, we have solved three numericals related to the rate measure.